Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we will understand the complete process of creating a payment voucher in Axanta ERP. Payment vouchers are primarily used to record miscellaneous expense payments such as fuel expenses, office stationery, printing charges, staff refreshments, and other day-to-day business expenses. Now, let's create the payment voucher. Navigate to the menu. Open the Accounting module. Under Accounting, select Payment Voucher. This screen displays all previously created payment vouchers. To create a new voucher, click on New. Start by selecting the journal through which the payment is being made, such as cash or bank. Please note that only journals of type bank and cash are available for selection, and the accounts linked to the selected journal will be impacted in the accounting entries. For this demonstration, we will select the cash journal. Next, enter the accounting date, as the accounting impact will be recorded based on this date. Then you can enter the document date, if applicable. If all expenses relate to a single vendor, you may select the partner. However, this is for reference purposes only and does not affect the partner's ledger or statement. Any additional information can be entered in the memo field. You will also find an option called One Journal per Voucher. When this option is enabled, all accounting entries are posted based on the accounting date. If the option is disabled, the accounting date field is hidden and a voucher date column becomes available in the lines. This functionality is useful when recording multiple expense payments incurred on different dates within a single voucher. For example, if multiple expenses such as fuel, printing, stationery, and staff refreshments are incurred during a month. Click on Add a line to record each expense individually. For every line, select the voucher date. Enter a brief description, for example, fuel. Choose the relevant expense account for this example, selecting fuel expense. And select the appropriate cost center from the analytic column if applicable. If tax is applicable, select the appropriate tax type, either inclusive or exclusive. In this example, we will select exclusive. Enter the expense amount as 100, and the system will automatically calculate the tax and total amount. Repeat the same process to add the remaining expense lines. Once completed, the system displays the untaxed amount, tax amount, and total amount. Additionally, you may use the Import Lines option to upload expense details directly from an Excel file. Click here to download the Excel file for voucher template. Once the Excel file is ready, click here to upload the file. After reviewing all details, click on Confirm to post the payment voucher. The voucher status will change to Posted. To review the accounting impact, click on the journal entry. You will observe that separate journal entries are created for each expense based on their respective voucher dates. The relevant expense accounts are debited, tax account is debited where required, and the cash or bank account is credited accordingly. If required, the voucher can be printed by selecting Print and choosing Voucher Print. Similarly, for recording miscellaneous amounts receivable, Axanta ERP provides the Receipt Voucher option. So this is how you can create a payment voucher in Axanta ERP.